Stay down on your back, or lay down on your back. Bring your knees over your hips, bring your hands behind your neck, and then lift your shoulders. Squeeze your elbows toward the back to engage your shoulder blades. Lengthen your neck and squeeze your knees toward one another. And just kind of hold here for a couple breaths, just getting your abs active. Keep the neck nice and long. And squeeze the shoulder blades, so get your scapular stabilizers engaged. 2 more breaths here. All right, and then squeeze your left knee toward you and point your right toes away from you. Supine bicycle. Lift your shoulders, turn toward the left. Hold 3 breaths. Keep your legs active, so knees squeezing back and toes pointing forward. Try to keep both shoulders away from the ground. And then back to the middle. Exhale to switch sides. Go over toward the right. Squeeze your right knee toward your shoulders. Push your left toes away from you. Lift and twist. 3 breaths. All right, and then back to the middle. 1 more each side. Right toes out, left knee in, twist. Lift your shoulders a little higher to challenge yourself. And last time, switch. Just 1 breath. And then bring it back to the middle. Release your shoulders down to the ground. Relax your head down. Bring your arms along your sides and come up into a bridge. Squeeze your heels toward your butt. And press your hips up, keeping your core tight, protecting your back. Three breaths here. All right, and then release down. Bring your knees in toward your chest. Give it a little squeeze, roll from side to side. And arms along your sides. Squeeze your knees toward your shoulders, breathe in. Exhale, press your legs straight out. Hover about a foot off the ground. Breathe here. Next, inhale, pull your legs back. Exhale to squeeze your knees toward your shoulders, so tightening your hip flexors. Breathe back out, legs out. Again, just hovering a foot away from the ground. Inhale, pull it back in. Exhale, squeeze your knees toward your shoulders. Inhale, back out. Exhale and hold. Legs squeezed together. And inhale, bring it back in. Exhale, squeeze knees to shoulders. Arms along your sides. Recline twist. Inhale to the right. Exhale back to middle. Shoulders face up. Inhale over. Exhale back to the middle. Keep this up, 5 to each side. Your knees don't touch the ground, they just come about 1 inch or 2 inches away from the side. Feel free to inhale, or feel free to exhale out of your mouth here if you want. As you bring it back to the middle, that's okay. Just slow and controlled. Last one each side, to both sides. All right, good. Let's flip over into tabletop. Hands under shoulders. Just take a couple breaths here. Just get kind of set with your body. Move your hips from side to side. Lengthen through your torso. And inhale to arch, cat-cow. Exhale to round. 5 total on your own pace. Make your breaths nice and long. Keep your knees squeezing toward one another. One more. All right, turn your hands, palms face down, fingers face you. Exhale to sit back. Stretching your forearms. Just 3 breaths here, about 30 seconds. All right, step your right foot up between your hands. Move into a runner's lunge. Press down to your right foot. Lift your back knee. Inhaling to pull forward. Exhaling to sink down. Release your back knee to the ground. Keep your weight in your right hip. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, right hand, right knee. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, side bend, reach toward the right. Hips can lean lightly toward the left. Maintain firmness through the outside of your body. Two more breaths. Last breath. Release your hands down. Go ahead and step up to a forward fold. Keep your knees bent. Half lift, pull forward. Exhale, fold. Step your right leg back. Runner's lunge. Press down through your left foot, squeeze your right thigh. Inhale forward. Exhale, sink. And release your right knee down. Inhale your arms up. Keep the weight in your left leg. Exhale, left hand, left thigh. Draw the ribs in. Reach your right arm up with the inhale. Exhale, reach up and over to the left. And breathe. Use your exhale to go deeper. Take 3 breaths here. All right, bring your hands back, either side of your front foot. Step up, take a forward fold, knees bent, spine long. Inhale, half lift. Exhale and fold. Feet about 6 inches apart, sit down into a squat hold. Press down through both hips. Arms are out in front, ribs draw in, spine flat. 3 breaths here. Feel free to push yourself here, get your hips active. And then press down through your heels, stand up all the way, come into a standing back bend, reach up, reach back. 30 seconds here. Getting tall, lifting your chin, pressing your top of your head away from your body, and then looking up and back. One more breath. And release your hands back into mountain pose, palms at your sides, toes touching, heels an inch apart. 3 breaths here. Just check in with your body. Release any tension you're holding in your shoulders. And then shift the weight into your right leg. Bring your left knee up to hip level. You can keep your eyes closed if you want to work on balance. And lift your left knee as high as you can, so really hike it up. Feel your left hip flexor engage. And then extend your arms overhead, both arms, and squeeze your arms back. Keep the ribs drawn in. So you're not arching your back, you're just engaging your upper back. 2 breaths here. And release your hands, release your foot down. Go back to mountain pose, palms at your sides. And gently lift your right foot away from the ground. Weight into your left hip. If you want to keep your eyes closed, go for it. Really hike your right knee up here. Lift it as high as you can without leaning back. And then bring your arms up and back. Squeeze your arms toward the back, engage your upper back. Get those muscles to fire. Keep your neck neutral and relaxed. And a few breaths here as well. Go ahead and release your right foot down. Hands at your sides, toes touching. A couple breaths again. Relax the shoulders. Take a step back with your left foot into high lunge. Arms up. And goalpost arms with your arms. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Push down through your right hip. Open up your left hip flexor. So focus on opening the front left of your hip. Two breaths here. Lower your hands down. Step back into a plank. Lengthen your torso forward. Lift your belly button. Pull your neck toward the ceiling. Two breaths here. And then come to a side plank on your left hand. So plant your left hand, roll to the outside of your left foot. Stack your shoulders on your left hand, reach your right arm up, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and look up at your right hand. 3 breaths here. Plant your right hand, back to plank, step into a deep squat. Feet facing straight forward or as straight forward as you can. Lean back into the squat, draw your ribs in, sit back, put the weight in your hips. Ankles are active as well. 2 breaths here. Try to make your spine as straight as possible. So sit up with good posture in the squat. One more breath. And stand back up. Lift your arms up and back into a little back bend. 2 breaths here. Get taller. And release back to mountain pose. Toes touching once more, palms forward. Breathe in. Exhale, relax. One more breath. Thanks for joining me for this workout today. Make sure you subscribe. We put out lots of videos like this on a very regular basis. And to get full access to all of my workouts, my programs, tutorials, and more, head to manfulyoga.com, sign up for a 7-day trial. It's just $1. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.